Hey friends, just before we start the video, if you enjoy the rest of the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, helps my channel get out there, helps me get more friends, and I need more friends, so please like and subscribe. Also, if you have questions that you want me to answer, or you want me to talk about something about my life because I'm so interesting, comment down below and ask anything. I will answer any question you ask, and I might answer it correctly. Anyway, thank you. And now we'll continue with the video that you're here to watch, because it's gonna be good. Hola friends, welcome back. My name is Tom. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be talking about how I started on Amazon. I had a single request, so that's what we're doing today because I decided to. So, where to begin? This is a long story. I'm going to try and keep it under hopefully 10 minutes. So, I was in college in 2017. So I'm 26. I graduated high school at 18. I went to a year of kind of tech school, learning about how to do computer programming and messing with software. Anyway, so I did that for a year, and then I served a 2-year mission for my church in Houston. And then I came home and I went down to school for 2.5 years down in Ephraim, Utah. If anybody knows where that is, it's such a small place. I would be so surprised. If you know where that is, smash the like button, and subscribe, because we're probably going to be friends. Anyway, so while I was down there, I was working and watching a bunch of YouTube, and all of a sudden, a ad for making money online showed up. It was for Shopify, and so I was like, hey, I can make money on Shopify because it's easy. It's not, but an ad makes it sound easy. Hey, I made $10,000 in 2 days. You can too. Some people do, but not everyone. And so I tried that. I spent like $2,500 on a course with money I didn't have. So that was cool. So I was out $2,500. I learned some stuff about Shopify, so I kind of knew that. And then I had seen some random YouTube videos about Amazon FBA, and a bunch of the Shopify people were talking about it, and they were saying, oh, you can't do that. It takes too much money up front. And I was like, I don't have money. I'm a college student. I have no money. So I just didn't even think about it. I just stuck with Shopify because that's easy. It's not. But so eventually I failed with Shopify. Did that. I tried to do that for like 6 months. Didn't work. So I decided I would come back and try Amazon FBA. I did it the wrong way. I started out completely wrong. Here's what I did in a nutshell. So with Shopify, people use AliExpress or DHgate. And I was familiar with those websites, so I got onto them and I sat there and looked around and I said, wow, I can sell all these on Amazon for cheap and I can make a lot of money. So I decided to do that. So it was 2017, right before Black Friday. It was actually on Black Friday, or I guess the day before, so Thanksgiving. And I decided I was going to post a bunch of, or jump on one of the listings and sell a bunch of speakers that I got from China, and they could ship and they could be to someone's house in like a week from China. So I was like, I can do that. I didn't have the buy box, but people were getting into the other used deals on Amazon, I guess. And I sold so many. I sold close to 100, and I was buying each speaker for probably, I don't know, 25, 30 bucks and selling them on Amazon for close to 70. So I was making so much money. I'm like, this is the easiest thing in the world. Why am I not doing this? And then it turns out those speakers were not real speakers. Actually, not genuine ones. So I might have done a boo-boo, but got kicked off that listing, got a bunch of reports. But I still made money, but I did it the wrong way. My account got suspended. Oh, it was a nightmare. So I learned, don't do that. Do not drop ship from AliExpress or anywhere. Do not drop ship. Do not drop ship. Drop. Do not drop ship on Amazon. You just don't do it. So I learned not to do that. And I decided, I made money from Amazon. Why not keep learning? So I did. I didn't take any courses. I just watched a bunch of YouTube. And in hindsight, I wasted a lot of time. That was 2017. And I didn't actually start making money from Amazon until just about a year ago when I started making a little bit. So I had all those issues to take care of, and I just put it off, and then I started doing other forms of Amazoning, like arbitrage. Also doesn't work. Just doesn't work. So I did make probably $200 or $300 from arbitrage, but it's just not scalable. So I kept learning, and I was like, okay, I'm going to do a private label. And it was, when was it? Probably middle of 2018. I had just gotten married and decided, hey, we make enough money to spend, $1,000, $2,000 on a new product. So I did that, and I didn't know how to do research. I just basics. I found a product that sells quite a bit. There's a lot of revenue on the first page and not a lot of competition. So I was like, hey, I can do this. Found it on Alibaba. And if you don't know what Alibaba is, then that's odd. I don't know how you found my channel. But Alibaba is basically just a big website that it's like Amazon, but it's wholesale. You can buy stuff from manufacturers over in China or all around the world, and then they can customize stuff for you. So they do that. I do that. I have a product design. I have a package designed, and it looks great. It was so good. Oh, so good. But oh no, my mountains. I just wanted to feel like I was outside today. See? I'm outside where I should be. That's where I belong. I'm a caveman. If you've made it this far, you might as well smash the like button because I need it. And you need it because we're friends. Right? Anyway. So I got this listing up, I started selling, I was getting on the first page on a bunch of keywords that I was hoping for, and in comes Amazon, and I got a copyright infringement, intellectual property infringement, and it was quite sad because I just spent $1,500 of my new income from my job. And now I was out. It was so sad. It was so sad. So I got all of that product back, still have it. It's pretty cool. But here I am. I'm just sitting here on all of this product. Just sad that I just have it. I can't sell it, can't use it. So I just have it. I don't even know what to do with it. I'll figure it out. I'll keep you posted. Anyway, so I learned from that I have to take a course. So I did. I bought a $1,000 course, and I learned quite a bit from it. I learned how to do wholesale from this particular course, and then I started doing that, and I probably made close to $2,000 or $3,000 in 2 months, 3 months. I made 2 different deals with wholesale, and then I made some money from it, and that was awesome. Almost 12 minutes. Jeez, if you're still here, thanks. Anyway, the good part here is that eventually I figured it out. I, took some courses, figured it out, but my biggest regret is that I didn't take courses earlier. But also, I don't really regret it because at the very beginning there was a bunch of non-Amazon sellers that were creating courses. Dan. Anyway, eventually I figured it out. I will say I'm not perfect. I'm not the best. Let me see. I'll pull up my numbers here. Give me a second. I am currently at a couple hundred on the day. I'm at 495. I don't know. Can you focus camera? Come on. Oh, that's why. Anyway, that's 495 for the day. 1,700 so far this month. The last 30 days I've done just over 20,000. Man, this is not friendly. Anyway, I just sold out of my 2 best-selling products, so I just have one that does about 10 to 20 sales a day. So I'm doing okay. I've got a shipment coming in. I just had some issues with cash flow during this whole pandemic thing. Oh man, this is not very structured. But Amazon, it works. It works really well if you know what you're doing. Which I'm still learning what I'm doing, but I'm learning quickly. That's one of the things that I like to think about is learn quickly and then fail quickly and then learn quickly from that. And then you learn something. Hopefully. You learn something. It's beautiful. Okay, if you've made it this far, please subscribe, smash the like button, tickle it, turn it blue, turn it to a smurf, smurf it. We'll say that. Smurf the like button, turn it blue. Man. Anyway, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, want to go outside with me, let me know down in the comments. Comment below. Down there. Thanks, and I hope you come back and follow along more. I'm going to do more videos about Amazon, and then we can all learn together. Hopefully. If you know how to learn. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.